I'm going to spray my face and I'll be back with my ponytail. First thing that I'm going to go in with for my brow bone area is highlight. So I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow Highlight way up close. Go into my Makeup Addiction Holy Glow Volume 2 palette, and it looks like this. And I'm going to grab these 2 shades right here. So it's in total 3 shades on my brow bone. And I already know I want to take my Morphe 213. The next color that I want to take is Sugar Pills Flame Points. And this is orange right here. So we're going to do a long, elongated cut crease. Yes, I do still have this one nail on. I just can't get it off. But don't come for me and my nail. Using is a Morphe 504 brush. And y'all already know I take my fluffy brush first. I want that first color to be as soft as possible. Well, not too soft. Some people don't like it as soft. But me, I like to go in transition from soft to like dense. Take my Morphe 504 and drag that shadow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe 518. Oh, what shit. Girl, oh my goodness. See, this is why I can't have a good filming session, because everybody is talking. I have 18 brush, which looks like this. It's a fluffier brush, but it's more denser than the one that I used first. Take my MAC, what is this? Red Brick. Next 2 shades I'm going to go in with is this one called Lith. First thing I want to take is my MAC 221 brush, because what it's going to do is going to get right in that crease area. Did a mixture of concealers, so it's medium beige, Warm Honey and C11 from Makeup Revolution. And I'm going to take my Inglax brush. I wanted to take my flower brush, but I really don't feel like going upstairs to go get it. So I'm just going to use this, and we're just going to cut light. Was set it with powder because it was getting on my nerve because it wasn't dry, and I wanted that matte feel, so I set it with this powder, and then I went on top with a drugstore shadow and grabbed this yellow shade right there to make it a little bit more brighter. So now what we're going to do is add our Wet n Wild liquid liner. I want to do gold, but I don't have a gold liner. Super dramatic on the wing liner and the lashes, only because this look is just like real simple to me. It ain't like a cut crease with like a lot of colors. It's just like these oranges and then a nude on the lid. As I put these on in my last tutorial, I really enjoyed these foundations. These were so good, and when I took photos they were super bomb. So I think I'm gonna keep using these for now. So these might be my new favorites, even though they drugstore. To give me fuller coverage, I like to use a brush like this. This is like a dome brush. I tried to clean it, but I hate when it stains like that. That's the way to say. I'm going to take a Morphe 439 brush, and I love this brush only because when I pounce it on, it just distributes more product. It doesn't take more away. Concealer, what I'm going to take is my Makeup Revolution. So this is going to be a drugstore, well, not all drugstore, but a mixture in between drugstore and high-end. Gonna end with this because I told y'all that I love this concealer or contour stick. We'll call it contour because it says contour. Y'all know I'm gonna do one by one, so I'm gonna do this side first and then I'm gonna move on to the other side because this stuff dries quick. Best tool to contour your nose is an E47 brush, and this is by Morphe. Take my dark deep powder by MAC. This is the mineralized skin finish. Put Girls Ebony bronzer to bronze on my face. I'm going to take a more chiseled brush and I'm going to go in with Black Coffee by Black Radiant. If you did like this highlight, I'm going to mix it with my Bobbi Brown Bronzer Glow. Set my whole face. I'm going to take this Slay All Day. I just bought this. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Setting Spray, and it smells pretty good. A lot of people use this. It's right here, and I had to get it because I had to get a lipstick that I really like. Oh, it just smells so good. I'm about to take Basic and put this on my lower lash line. Lips, to take Auburn lip pencil by MAC. Order a box from Gerard Cosmetics, and what I'm about to do now is I'm about to take this shade called Nude. That's what I use. The old one is over there and it's like broke, but this is how Nude looks.